Samantala, ginisa sa pagdinig sa Senado ang sinibak na Deputy Director General ng PIDEA na si Carlos Gadapan. At kabilang sa mga naungkat ang kanya umunong pagkalulong sa sugal. Saksi si Jam Sisante.
Mr. Gadapan provided secret intelligence information to a Filipino-Chinese national. And as a result, the agency is now facing writ of habeas data in court. Reportedly, he had a meeting with the subject at his office on May 14, 2012, where he confirmed that one of our PIDEA agents who was conducting a surveillance operation was the same person who was caught in a CCTV footage brought by the said Filipino-Chinese national to his office.
Isa raw ito sa mga dahilan kung bakit sinibak bilang Deputy Director General ng PIDEA si Carlos Gadapan. Giit ni PIDEA Director General Jose Gutierrez, wala umanong kinalaman ng pagkalulong daw ng kanyang asawa sa sugal gaya ng alegasyon ni Gadapan.
Nung sinabi niya sa akin yan, hindi naman po ako nagalit. I just said, sa tingin ko hindi naman totoo yan.
Hindi naman po personal to. Kundi ang sa akin lang po dito ay number one, yung dumating na po kasi yung relief order without any walang explanation.
You are appointed by the President, you are removed by the President, and he does not need to explain to you.
Maya-maya ang alegasyon ng mga si Gadapan ng lulong sa sugal ang inungkat ni Senadora Miriam Defensor Santiago.
Because right now, casino establishment is being used as a money laundering sites of drug money. That's why we have to expand our network. We have to get more informants from this establishment.
And it's not usual, to my knowledge, for a high-ranking official, if he is conducting underground reconnaissance or other kinds of highly confidential or intelligence work, to go himself because you're already well known. Normally, you'd send an agent.
Sagot ni Gadapan, may mga impormante raw na hindi basta-basta nagtitiwala sa mga ahente, kaya siya mismong humarap.
Why didn't you meet them somewhere else? Why do you have to meet them in the casino and blow your cover?
Ito lang po kasi yung time nila na nandun, that's why yun po yung naging...
Mr. Gadapan,
yes,
I'm a former RTC judge. I'm also a creative literary writer. It seems to me that what you are telling is more fiction than fact.
Dismayado tuloy si Senador Tito Soto, dating Dangerous Drugs Board Chairman at siyang humiling na imbestigahan ng pagsibak kay Gadapan.
The answers were not clear. Parang medyo disappointing to a certain extent. Kasi hindi masyadong na-explika at saka hindi nabakapan ng ebidensya yung mga aligasyon
Pag-aaralan pa kung magsasagawa ng ikalawang pagdinig sa issue. Ako si Jam Sisante, ang inyong saksi.